Hi, Profe Steve. Another video on pronunciation. Okay? Pronunciación. La G. Momentito. This is actually where I'm from. This is Toronto, Canada. A city of about 5 million people. And these photos here are all taken from Toronto Island. Yeah? You can't take cars, it's only bicycles, there's some small houses, actually quite a beautiful place. And this here is called the CN Tower. It used to be the tallest freestanding structure in the world until they built that huge tower in Dubai, in the Middle East. And this is the view from the islands to the downtown area of Toronto. Quite a beautiful city. This is Lake Ontario. Okay, enough of geography, back to pronunciation. The G is actually sometimes a very difficult sound to produce for Spanish people. So I hear things like ech, doch, bach, with that sound at the end. It's actually quite simple, right? So it's dog, g. You see my throat? G. We need to pronounce it that way. Egg, and bag. Repeat after me. Dog. Very good. Egg. Perfect. And bag. Easy. Dog, egg, bag. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and follow.